In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos to solve problems where you're trying to prove that one expression is equivalent to another expression. All right, to use Desmos to solve this, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the original expression. So we got 1 divided by 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 3. So there's our original expression. Now remember, we're checking when x is greater than 3. Okay, so let's put in the first choice, A. So we have 2x plus 5. Now I'm going to put the 2x plus 5 in parentheses so that it groups that at the top of the fraction that I create. And then x squared plus 5x plus 6 at the bottom of the expression. Okay, so we can see on there we have the green graph and the blue graph, and when x is greater than 3, they're not the same. So that means we can eliminate that choice. So A is out. All right, let's do the reciprocal of that, which is choice B. So we're going to put the x squared plus 5x plus 6 at the top of the fraction, divided by the 2x plus 5 at the bottom. And in this case here, we can see that the black graph and the green graph are the same. So when x is greater than 3, the answer must be choice B. All right. So that would be using Desmos to show equivalent expressions on the Math SAT. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.